Hello, today we want to introduce the lighter case. Now you can see this is a lighter case for iPhone 6 on my hand. The most important we want to introduce is the safety function. Now we can see when we press down the button, the lighter is on, and then we can light the cigarette. However, some people may worry about the safety when they put them in their pocket. Don't worry. We have the lock function to keep it safety. Now, you can see when we press the button quickly 3 times, it's locked. And the 3 times again, you can see the blue light is on, and then we can light again. That means it's unlocked. Let's try again. Now, let's lock the lighter. Slide the button quickly 3 times. 3. Now the blue light is shining, means it's locked. Yes, locked. We can't light the cigarette now. Now let's unlock it 3 times. Okay. Then the lighter is on. Okay. We have this series of lighter case for all Samsung models S3, S4, Note 2, Note 3, Note 4, and iPhone 5, iPhone 6. So, any more details, please contact us. Thank you.